Welcome to our deep dive into the world of tap water. Over the next few scenes, we'll uncover the hidden truths and surprising facts about what flows through your pipes. Ready to get started? Let's go. How safe is the water coming out of your tap? You might think it's just H2O, but it's actually a cocktail of chemicals, treatments, and, well, surprises. From fluoride to mysterious new compounds, let's dive into the murky waters of what's really in your glass. First up, a brand new chemical has entered the chat. Say hello to chloronitromide anion. Found in tap water by researchers and featured in, this compound is a byproduct of the disinfectants used to clean our water. But before you panic, here's the catch. Scientists don't know if it's harmful yet. Dr. Julian Ferry, the lead researcher, says the US has some of the safest tap water in the world. But this discovery reminds us there's always more to learn about what's flowing through our pipes. Let's talk about an old friend, or maybe a frenemy, fluoride. For decades it's been hailed as the hero against cavities, but not everyone's a fan. Critics, including some big names, claim fluoride could be linked to health issues like bone fractures and even neurodevelopmental disorders. But here's the scoop. The fluoride levels in your water are regulated to be safe and beneficial. It's like a tiny dental assistant in your glass. Though experts say brushing with fluoride toothpaste is way more effective. So don't skip the toothpaste, folks. Now for the not-so-fun stuff, PFAS. These so-called forever chemicals are a stubborn guest that overstayed their welcome. Found in tap water, non-stick pans, and more, they don't break down easily and can stick around for years. Here's the good news. Most tap water in the US has PFAS levels that are considered safe, but if you're worried, testing your water and using filters can help. We'll get to that in a minute. So, is your tap water safe? The answer is probably. US tap water is more strictly regulated than bottled water. Yes, you heard that right. Your fancy bottled water might not even meet the same standards. But it's not perfect. Factors like lead pipes or local contamination can play a role. If you're unsure, start by testing your water. Want extra peace of mind? Here's how you can level up your water game. These are the go-to choice for water pitchers and faucets. They're affordable and effective for many contaminants, but don't forget to change them regularly. This high-tech option removes nearly everything, including PFAS. Just know it's pricier and might not tackle every single chemical. Sometimes the best solution is advocating for cleaner water systems. Push for better treatment methods and stricter regulations. Here's the elephant, or rather the pipe, in the room lead. While new rules are phasing out lead pipes, many older homes and cities still have them. Even low exposure can harm children's development, making this a serious concern. If you're in a city with a history of lead contamination, test your water and use a certified filter designed to remove lead. Here's the bottom line. For most of us, tap water is safe. But as science uncovers new chemicals, vigilance is key. Test your water, use filters, and stay informed. Water is life, so let's make sure it's safe. And if you learned something new today, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Let's keep the conversation flowing.